Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to transfer the Ethereum from Bybit to the Trust Wallet. So first thing is go to your Trust Wallet application and go to the receiving end. So in here, just go with the Ethereum and select the chain. For example, it goes with a chain of Arbitrum. So let's copy the address. Just click on the copy button and it will be copied. So once it's been copied, all you have to do is to uh, go to the Bybit application now. Wait till the application totally boots up. It will take like few seconds. So once you're in the Bybit application, go to the asset tab. So once you're in the asset, all you have to do is to go to the withdraw option. So I don't have an asset yet, but if you have the Ethereum in your Bybit application, you can follow these steps. So in here, all you have to do is to go and tap on the Ethereum, search Ethereum, and there are different sort of chains in it. So just select Ethereum, and once you are in it, go and select the Arbitrum, like we have done in the Trust Wallet application. So go with the Arbitrum one, enter the amount you want to transfer, and then simply you can tap on withdraw button and it will transfer. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.